Speed up your workflow with keyboard shortcuts. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at the latest updates with keyboard shortcuts, and that includes presets. The photo editing process can get really time consuming, especially if you're using multiple functions that you have to toggle back and forth between. So keyboard shortcuts can really make your workflow a lot faster. And this is going to save you a lot of time and energy. First, let's take a look at how they're set up. Go to Preferences under your Zoner account. We've changed the way shortcuts are set up to allow you to set up shortcuts for over 1,000 functions and settings. And these changes allow you to adjust exposure and its individual parameters, split toning, the tone curve, and all of the basic adjustments without needing to click your mouse. Here you can set your own shortcuts for increasing and decreasing each slider for both HDR and standard dynamic range editing. Now click the plus sign or plus icon for your selected adjustment and choose the key that you want to use. For example, for contrast, I want to use the K key. And if the key is already in use for another tool, I'll get a notification just like the one that's popping up right now. Now the key in our situation here is assigned to the straighten lines function. But you can now assign a key for each method of line straightening so that you won't need the K key for straighten lines anymore. I can remove it and assign it to contrast. Now you can also assign keyboard shortcuts to work with masks, even using local tools. You can also assign keyboard shortcuts to your favorite presets. And speaking of presets, we've added the option to add keyboard shortcuts to presets as well. Presets contain default settings and are constantly being added onto. And we've also prepared a special preset for you that already has specific set shortcuts ready to go for you. You can download it in the article, to which you can find a link in the video description. Plus, you can save countless custom presets with your favorite shortcuts, and you can rotate them depending on what type of editing that you're going to be doing at the given moment. With the new Zoner Photo Studio X update, speed up your workflow and all of your keyboard shortcuts.